See if I can do this. So we have Dr. Chris Pellow, very successful chiropractor here in the greater Denver area. And you're just telling me about we're here with NLP for Docs training. We've done about 5 modules. Rapport, outcome, state management. You just said something incredible about how the use of rapport, you've kind of changed how you interface with patients because of the rapport module. Can you say that again? Oh, it's fantastic.
Well, it's always one of the, I've always before, even doing the trainings, I noticed that it was trying to get my belief system and what we know about chiropractic on them, as opposed to just building rapport with them and then moving them through a process. So right. I noticed I listened to them.
So you're using the techniques out of the rapport module.
My first meeting with a new person is to develop rapport. It
right.
actually has to do with any of their issues. It's not actually about me educating them. Let's get into rapport. Let's get in rapport with what your wants are, and then perfect. Let's talk to you tomorrow.
And that's a shift from how you used to interface with patients.
Well, I used to think,
prospective patients, I should say, and patients, I suppose.
Yeah, I mean, the rapport that I was getting was more like, I didn't think it was that important.
Right. And you mentioned the link to conversion. It makes a difference. Have you noticed?
Yeah, I mean, it definitely makes because then, it's just here's the problem and then here's a solution.
Right.
So as opposed to having to force them through it. So.
Awesome. And would you recommend the NLP for Docs training for other doctors?
Of course.
Yeah. What have you gotten most? What's the biggest takeaway? That's a big one. When it changes how you interface with a prospective patient from the very get-go. That's big. Is there anything else?
Well, the biggest thing here's why patients work with you, why they don't work with you. It comes down to trust. Even if you have the answer to their problem, if they don't trust you enough, they're not going to sign up. So at the basic level, you need trust, and then from there you can move forward. But no trust, no rapport, doesn't happen.
Right. Awesome. Thanks, Chris.
You're welcome.